Welcome to Mueller. We've been providing metal roofing solutions made in the USA for over 85 years. From standing seam to corrugated panels, Mueller provides a low-maintenance roofing option for most type of homes. A metal roof adds beauty, value, and character to your home and may even lower your homeowner's insurance rate. At Mueller, we've helped thousands of homeowners with beautiful roofing solutions. The way we operate may seem a little different. That's because we like to work directly with the people who will be using our metal roofs, customers like you. Interested? Let's take a look at our simple step-by-step process to find out if a metal roof is right for you. First things first, make sure you're allowed to use metal roofing on your home. Check with your city and county code departments or neighborhood HOA to see if there are any restrictions or guidelines concerning metal roofing. Good to go? The next step is to choose your metal roofing panel design and color. A Mueller representative will be a big help here, advising you on what type of roofing makes the most sense for your home and sending you color charts or even color samples of the metal. You can also use our online color selection tool to see what looks best on your home. Okay, so you've got the go-ahead to use metal roofing, and you know what type of roofing and what color roof you want. Now, you want to know how much it's going to cost, right? There are a couple of ways to do this. To get a quote, we'll need the roof measurements. You can visit the website for our measurement guide or request on-site service in selected areas for a small fee. Our quote will include a schematic of your roof to show how the panels will lay out, along with a materials list for the project. Do you need financing for the project? Ask your Mueller salesperson for financing options or visit the Mueller website and apply online. The next step is to place your order. An initial deposit of 25% is required, with the final payment due at delivery. It's all about giving you a hassle-free experience. Once a delivery date has been set, you need to free up some space for material delivery and make sure there is plenty of room for our truck to get in and out. If you notice any discrepancies between your order and what's delivered, please contact your Mueller representative immediately. It all adds up to bring you the moment you've been waiting for, seeing your dream roof become a reality. We hope this helps as you plan your Mueller metal roofing project. Place your trust in a company that will be here for you today and tomorrow. To find out more about who we are and what we do, give us a call.